Morning. In the next few weeks, 28 million young kids may be able to get the Pfizer Covid-19 vaccine. That's because Pfizer just announced this morning it had officially submitted its request to the FDA for emergency use authorization for use of its vaccine in kids ages 5 to 11. Now, the dose for that age group is about a third of the dose given to teenagers and adults. The FDA will review the data submitted, and its independent panel is expected to meet on October 26th to discuss all of it. That meeting will be open to the public. As always, you can watch it on YouTube if you're interested. The independent advisory panel will then make a recommendation at the end of that meeting that the FDA itself will either accept or deny. Then the FDA's recommendation will go over to the CDC to either be approved or denied. Pfizer, with its brand name Comirnaty, is fully authorized by the FDA for use in those ages 16 and up. Currently, the vaccine is authorized for emergency use in those ages 12 to 15.
Crisis averted, sort of. The Senate just voted to raise the debt ceiling by $480 billion after a deal was struck between Democrats and Republicans. I told you that was going to happen in this video last night. Now, that price tag of $480 billion was an estimate given to the Senate by the Treasury Department for how much money it would need to borrow to keep the government from defaulting on our debt until December 3rd of 2021. Now, you might be thinking, December 3rd, that sounds so familiar, and you'd be right. Because December 3rd is also the day the government will shut down if Congress doesn't agree to a spending plan for 2022. So you know this double crisis of possible government shutdown and possible debt default that we've been dealing with for the last few weeks? Well, yeah, we're going to be going through all this all over again in less than 2 months. But for today, we can exhale.